Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a game design for your social media platform using Canva. So if you want to start engaging with your followers, let's say on Instagram, you can create a quiz or a game that is made for them and you'll give a prize to the winner. So here I'm going to show you how you can create one only by using Canva. So you can start by opening your Canva apps and then click on the search column at the top and just find this keyword games. So you can easily use the Canva templates to create games. So in here there are lots of options. There is a word puzzle, memory game, guess the picture game, or bingo, word search, and others. So you can just choose which games that you want to play with your followers. Let's say I'm going to uh choose the let's try this. Okay, puzzle, or let's try this emoji challenge. So just click on the templates that you want to use, click on the customize this template, and here this is the game that I want to play with my followers. Let's say the emoji challenge, so the followers will need to find two same emojis. So you can try to ask them to answer in the comment section. So if you want to use this, you can just click on the arrow and click on save as image, and here you can just upload it on your social media platform. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.